Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to merge a query in Power BI with examples, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail about transpose in Power BI. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most important concepts in Power BI: merge query. So, what is a merge query? Merge query is a way to combine data from two or more tables in Power BI. With merge query, you can join tables based on common columns and create a new table that contains all the columns from each table. This can be extremely useful when you need to combine data from different sources. Now, let's move on to the benefits of merge query. First and foremost, it allows you to bring together data from different sources and create a single, comprehensive view. Secondly, it can help you save a lot of time by automating the process of combining data. And lastly, it can help you identify relationships between different data sets that you might not have noticed before. Now, let's dive into an example of how to use merge query. For this example, we will be working with two tables, one that contains customer information, and another that contains sales data. Our goal is to create a single table that contains customer information and sales data. To get started, we will select the Merge Queries option from the Home tab in the Power Query Editor. This will open up the Merge dialog box. In the Merge dialog box, we will select the two tables that we want to merge. We will then select the common column that we want to merge the tables on. In this case, we will use the Customer ID column. Next, we will select the type of join we want to use. We have many options here, such as inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. For this example, we will use an inner join, which means that we will only include rows that have matching values in both tables. After selecting the join type, we will click OK to create our merged table. Now from the table, we can choose which columns we want to include in our merged table. We can select all columns from both tables or just specific columns. In this example, we will select all the column. Finally, we will click OK to create our merged table. Now we can see the data is merged from sales data into the customer data information table with reference to the common column, which is customer ID. We can then use this merged table to create visualizations and gain insights into our data. That's it for this video on merge query in Power BI. As you can see, merge query is a powerful tool that can help you combine data from different sources and create comprehensive views. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Power BI tutorials.